So guys, this is for the sake of our daily signal like we promise. So once you open your MT4, either MT4 or MT5, you will see the interface just like this. This is how you see the interface. In case you are missing up something, let's first start from how to add the currency pair. So for now, I'm going to delete all these currency pair and I'm going to add them one after the other to show you, because those are some of the major important things you need to know. So now I have deleted all the currency pair. For now I have a trade ongoing, so that is the reason why this remain and one must remain. So now if I want to add currency pair, I will just choose here. You see this plus button here. Once I click on this plus button, it's taking me to here. Now it's now depend on the which signal that being dropped in the platform. So let's assume because majorly we'll be trading gold, USD 30, which is Nasdaq, and also BTC USDT. So now I want to add gold. If I can type the symbol of gold, or I will just type gold. Let me type gold. Let me type gold. So as you can see here, this is the symbol of gold here. This is the symbol of gold, XAU USD. This is the symbol of gold. So I'll just click on it, and once I click on it, it has been added. And as you can see, once I click on it now, it has been added currently. So this is my dashboard, and this is my previous analysis I did here. So here, let me take it to 4 hours, and let me take it to 1 day. So now the major thing is let me quickly take you here. Once you added your currency pair, is either the currency pair or other. Once you added it and you click on this place, you click on the currency pair, you just click on it like this. Once you click on it, and it will take you here. Click on open chart, this one, this specific one, open chart. So once you click on open chart, it will take you to this dashboard. So your dashboard will look so clean without anything. It's just that my analysis are showing here. Look at just so, but yours will look very empty and new. Now let's assume you have been given a signal that you should buy or sell. For now, I'm going to sell this currency pair, which is gold. Now you see it's currently on uptrend, and I believe that it has done much and is going to come down. So this place, I will click on this place here. This is the place I will click. So once I click on it, now this place is very important. This is where to buy and where to sell. And as you can see down below here, so you can see below here, buy and sell. Now on this buy and sell, we have market execution, we have lot size, we have the price ranges here, we have the stop loss, and stop loss here, we have the take profit here. So these are very important, because whenever we give a signal, we will tell you that you should put stop loss and take profit. So let me quickly buy this, let me quickly sell this, because I believe that it's going to come down. So I've sold. I'm using the demo account for the illustration for the stuff. So my main account is I can't just expose it for now. So now let's assume I have sold now, and I want to set up my take profit, or I want to take up my set profit. This same here, this same gold USD, I'll just click on it like this. Is either okay, I will click on it, and once I click on it, on this side button here, I'll just draw it like here like this. I'll draw it here, and once I draw it here, you see it's open almost 30. Now if I click on this, it will take me to dashboard. If I click on this, that is will be where I'm going to modify, and if I click on this, that means I want to close the trade, but I'm not ready to close the trade. I want to put stop loss and take profit. Now I will click on this pencil button. I've clicked on the pencil button. This place indicates that I should put stop loss, take profit. This green one, light green. This red one is stop loss. Now let me put stop loss here. The price is going against me. I will now say, okay, my stop loss is 3380. My entry price, look at my entry price here. My entry price was 3381.07. So my stop loss will be, let's say, 3385. So now my take profit will be 33, sorry, let me adjust this, 85, 3385 here. My stop loss, my take profit will be 33, let's say 3380. So as you can see, the modification button has popped up here. So once I click on the modify here, you see it has been modified, and once I go to the chart, it's going to show here. So okay, let me quickly remove this thing. Let me quickly remove this. So as you can see, I have TP here and I have stop loss here. So this is my entry point. I have TP, I have stop loss. So once the price come down, it will come to my top take profits, and once it goes up here, it will hit my TP, it will hit my stop loss. So this is how to buy. Now sometime we are going to give you a time range on where to buy, because this, okay, now it has hit my stop loss. Look at it, look at it now. It has hit my stop loss. It has hit my stop loss here. So now let's assume we give you that you should buy on market buy limit or sell limit. This is where you are going to click again. Once you click on this place, you click on this place here, you click on this place here, market execution. Market execution, as you can see, we have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop. So it's now depending on which price we give to you that you should buy. But most especially, I always tell my people that they should always wait for the market to reach first, but they can set it. So let's assume I gave you that, okay, the market is still above, and once it comes down, for example, now the market is around 33.85. Now I want the market to come, once the market come to maybe 33.80, I want you to buy there. So this is how I will do. I will put buy limit. I will now include the price I want to buy here, this price here. I'll now include the price that, okay, if the price comes to 33.84, you should place my trade. Once I click on this place trade, you see, if I come down here, you see something here, you see it here. Once the market move back, come down here back, is going to buy, and as you can see here, you see buy limit. So but currently I'm going to close it because this market has moved already. This is 15 minutes chart, so I'm going to close it. Look at it here, buy limit. Look at it, buy limit. So if I want to close it, I'll just scroll on this side again. I'll now click on this place here. I'll click on this place and see delete. I will delete it. So now let me quickly, sorry, it has been deleted. Now let me quickly sell. Once we are in profit, then I will now close because I know that it's going to sell. Okay, now one of the major important again is this lot size. I remember I dropped the lot size here yesterday. So this lot size, we have 0.01, we have 0.1, and we have 1. Now let me explain to you. This lot size we call the 0.1. We have three type of lot size. We have mini lot size, we have micro lot size, we have mini lot size, and we have standard lot size. That is what is being called. On the other hand, on the crypto we call it a leverage, but in the forex we call it lot size. Like now, 0.01 is micro lot size. So if you have any money, if you have maybe like $10, like up to $20 to $50, you can make use of 0.01, because it's now depend on which currency pair. But if you are trading gold, I strongly advise that you should make use of 0.0, because gold is very volatile, and I majorly trade gold very well. I trade gold very well. So this is now that is 0.01 is micro lot size. So the mini lot size is 0.1. Yeah, start from 0.1. That is mini lot size, and the standard lot size is 1. Now if you want to change it, this is the place you are going to change it. You see this place here, this place I'm pointing arrow. You just click on it here, you delete this, you come here, you press 1. As I click now, this is standard lot. This one is standard lot. Now if I click on sell, it's going to sell. You see, and you will see that, look at it, look at the way the profit is coming. Just imagine, I just sell now and the profit is coming. Now let's move again. Let's go and sell on the micro lot size. 0.0 0.01. 0.1 is mini lot size. So from 0.1 to 0.9 is mini. So now let me sell again. This is mini lot size. So once the price come down, it's going to, and as you can see, you see there is differences. This one is micro lot size. The up one here is mini lot size. Then the downside here is standard lot size. And look at the differences, all of them. Look at the differences. Look at the way they are booming in the profit. So this is how you can enter market. Now if you are in profit like this, don't be greedy. If you are trading gold, don't be greedy, especially if you have small accounts. Just click on this side here, click on here and close. This is close here, this is close here, close here like this. You close, or you click on this, you put long press, or you long press here like this. Once you long press, you see close order, you close order. You see here, take profit, close with profit. You click long press again. Once you long press, it will bring you here, close with profit. This is just the simple way, and the next time we are going to start fully. So this is all the guide you needed. So like I said, if you want to add the currency pair, you just come here, this button here, you click on it. Especially if we give you some pairs that you maybe euro USD. Once you look at the pair euro USD, so euro USD, so this is it. Once you click on, once you type the name, you just click on it, it has been added. You go back, look at it, euro USD, it has been added. Now if I want to practice again, I'll just click on this place, and after you add plenty, don't worry, we are going to talk about that in our next tutorial, but this is just the basic need you need. And please be very conscious of this, because if you made a mistake here, your money will be gone. So always, as a newbie, I advise you, even if you have account of, if you are using demo, always put it on 0.01, because that mindset will be the one you are going to use even in your real account. So like this now, I will sell again on 0.01, And as you can see before now, it's going to come on profit because I know that this market is surely going to come down. So we are going to further in our next tutorial to start fully, but this is just it. Once I give you the signal, you can start buying or sell. This is just it. As you can see now, it's on profit, and if I want to close it, I'll just click here and close in profit. Wow. You can be doing this capping, do blah 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 that, like that, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So that is it for now on this